Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we got another free wig. And y'all see me trying to cover my address because I can't have y'all out here know my address because some of y'all crazy. This is actually one of the wigs that I showed y'all in my last video about how to get free wigs. Yeah, this company DM me and asked me to promote one of their wigs. And they also sent me some eyelashes. They thin, but whatever. And a cap. This is the company. If y'all want to ask them for a free wig, go ahead. When I tell y'all this wig is so soft and it looks just like the picture and it's human hair, 10 out of 10. Oh, and y'all, it's a T-part wig.
So you do not consider yourself a proper producer?
I call myself a baby producer because I feel like I'm still.
Then with this wig, it has multiple clips in it. So best believe this wig ain't going nowhere once everything is clipped on.
Yeah, I'm a baby producer, but I'm about to become, a full-time master.
And I tell y'all this exact same wig in this picture. Some wig companies don't be sending y'all the same wigs, but this one right here,
I've been on the
10 out of 10. So let's get into installing this wig, okay? Look, I don't come from my little bald cap because I don't know. But what I'm doing, I'm taking some little alcohol, rub it on there so I can get this glue out my head because I've been wearing that frontal for too long. I done had that frontal in for at least 2 weeks, I think. And you know that glue was still holding on, so. So now I'm just taking the braid down. This is going to be my leave out. Actually, I took 2 braids down. It's going to be my leave out. And I braided the rest of the hair back. Okay, so now I got my leave out. I'm just going to twist it down in the front. And right here, I'm just trying to wig before I cut it, You gotta see what we gonna be doing. So y'all, this is actually the easiest wig I ever really installed because all you gotta do is clip it down on your braids, y'all. It's so easy. Like if you're not even a hairstylist, you can do this yourself. And right here, I'm just adjusting the fit to the wig because it was like a little lump in the back. So I had to fix it to go around my leave out. Okay, now that the wig is on, we gonna do something to the leave out. And I know my hair ain't the same color at the ends, but my roots is, but it's still gonna come out all right. Okay, just trust the process. And that's a little oil that I use to slick down my hair because I'm natural now.
Diamonds be dancing like Bobby. They dance. Don't touch it, dick like it be cocky. Don't touch it. Shroom and GC the part. We geeky. Bitches gon' trend on the top. Keep trending. The way I pull up, I'ma pop it and none of these niggas gon' stop me. Pull up. Gone. Put that shit on, get a cup for the drip. I'm a motherfucking 5 kilo. Keep stacking your banger, get bigger. Never would I throw some shit on no nigga. On tape. Little nigga don't play with these niggas. I see the big picture. We up on these niggas. The huncho, the one you gon' call on me, nigga. I got your back, you gon' follow me, nigga. When I get up, we gon' ball on these niggas. Fucking shit up, cause we beat out the system. Water on me like the sauna. Some carrots, some pointers. All these commas, I want fun. Me go gunners out the jungle. Buy it all, fuck a front. Fuck nigga, cake on me, no funnel.
Y'all see how long that leave out is? A lot of people think I'm bald headed, but I'm not. Y'all see I got them inches. I got them inches in real life. And now I'm gonna try to get my leave out blended.
I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. Like to put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you a lady, but at home.
Okay, y'all see this how I look in the middle part, and now I'm finna show y'all how I look on the side part. So we just gonna do the same process over again.
about us. About you as real as they come. But you would rather be on them drugs. I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you been draining me out. You know that, you know that well. Better throw that. Better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day to run the streets in the dark out, to come through and blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone, no, no. Just.
Alright, y'all, that's it for this video. Let me know what y'all think. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.